Just give me a couple of minutes in your time. I will make you dangerously confident. That sounds illegal. And what I'm talking about here is I don't want you to be that person where pretend to be strong confident. I'm talking about a kind of confidence where people literally feel your presence when you enter a room. Well, now you might wondering, what on earth are you talking about? Of course, I'm talking about confidence, how to build your confidence and how to be dangerously confident. That sounds illegal. That sounds even everyone feels your confidence when you enter a room. If you think that sounds impossible, if you think that sounds a little bit, impossible, then perhaps this video is not for you. So if you say, if you want to leave, then you can leave the video. And yeah, for those of you that if you're still watching the video, this is exactly what happens. You are about to surprise yourself. The mindset resets. Right now, you are holding a heavy future version of yourself, the person that you think you are, and the person that you terrify, the person that you intimidated you can become. And confidence isn't adding something, is literally removing the layers of hesitation that you've built over years, over a long period of time. And here's a quick test for you. If I told you to speak loudly in public right now, would you do that? Would you freeze? Would your chest tightened? Would your mind can blank? Good, if that's you, that means you are human, and it means this video is meant to you. So, of course, here are the quite fundamental rules that if you want to become highly confident, you want to be dangerously confident, the rule is that you need to change everything. So, changing everything, what I mean by that is becoming dangerously confident. Stop asking for permission. Stop asking for permission. And confident people don't wait. If you are very confident, you're not asking for permission. They decide. You would rather decide rather than staying or rather than asking for permission. And people follow decision makers. Example, when they say, should I speak? Should I try? Should I start? Should, if you say should, could, you've already lost. From now, I want you to think whatever you think, you do it, and whatever you say it, whatever you want to say it, you say it. If you want to walk closer to someone else, you can walk. If you want an opportunity, you reach that opportunity. You chase that opportunity. You are no longer a spectator in your life. You are a decision maker. Confidence, if you want to build confidence, you need to take action. Don't be afraid to make decisions. Don't be afraid to take action. People probably might wondering, if I start being confident, people might judge, or people might say things that probably it will not make me feel okay. And the voice of power, dangerously confident person is silent confidence. It's calm, not loud. Your voice, training hack. Say, for example, many sentence, I spoke slowly because I know what I'm saying and what I meant to say. So if you kind of slow your breath and you slow your talk, first talk, if you talk quite slowly, don't rush, because confident people, they do not rush whatsoever. And of course, you don't need approval at the same time. This is the part where nobody tells you to admit it. You are not afraid of people to take action. You're afraid of their opinions. And hear the truth that no one tells you about. Most people never hear. Everyone is too busy. worrying about themselves, judge you deeply. Look around in public, for example. People are glued in those screens, lost in their insecurities, and even trying to survive the day. You are free. Start acting like it and start taking action. No one is looking at you seriously. Confidence isn't about liked, isn't about being free from needing to be liked. The second social bravery challenge, I would say, second social bravery challenge. I'm about to give you a challenge that will rewire your brain in the next 24 hours. And here's the challenge. Let's say, for example, in the next few days or in the next day, you must do one small action that will make you slightly uncomfortable. For example, talk to people that you don't know. If you're afraid to talk to ladies, go for it. And if you're afraid to talk in public, go for it. A lot of people, they kind of afraid to take action. If you didn't take action, you won't be confident. Ask a stranger for a time, for example, give a compliment to a lady, or speak up into a meeting, or even ask questions publicly. It doesn't matter how small, it doesn't matter how you will feel. That is how you start building your confidence, because the small things done consistently produce big results over time. What matters is that if you act despite after the fear, that is how confidence is built. One brave moment at a time adds to small things over time. And I would say that you need to have identity shift. You are not shy. You are not weak. You are not just intimidated. You are not just like this. You are simply and practice in confidence. Anything and practice feels so natural. But the person that you want to become, you already inside you. It's already inside you. You've been hiding them. Okay. So I would say, I highly recommend if you're a person who's actually, you are no longer becoming confident. You are confident, but you need to take action. From this point afterwards or forwards, the transformation in the last 10 minutes or in the last 15 minutes, you didn't watch this video. You activated your new version of yourself.